So what do we got going on here? I'll explain this to you. So this is a carburetor, old Quadrajet getting put together for the 74 Eldorado. This is an important question. That is where the vac modulator hooks up. And I've pulled the little piece out, the pipe. So Cadillac, on the vacuum modulators, they always ran the big canister style, which, you know, you run the later adjustables. Sometimes people complain about the shift quality. So what I do on all the rear-wheel drives, if you look, usually at the bottom, sometimes at the top, there'll be a crimp section of the modulator line. So you can cut that out, get a longer piece of hose, and usually they work better. Now, I had a 66, did a switch pitch in, and shifted horribly. I hated it. Where the vac line threaded in to the back of that carter that was on it from the factory, that little fitting had a restricted, this real tiny hole supplying that vac line. So I drilled it out. Problem solved. On these Cadillacs of mine, I always run just with the crimp cut out and manifold vac. I'll show you something I just realized here. Where that hooks up from the factory, look how small the feed hole is. Look at that. Bam. So I'm going to do like I did on the 66 and drill it out to about 1/8 of an inch to get a lot more vacuum down. That way it's quicker vac change under, you know, load and off throttle and everything. Whereas this makes the line work like a canister, basically, or a reservoir. So just quicker vac response, more vacuum, it's going to shift better. If you drill the hole too big, it's not the end of the world. All you got to do is like I do on the switch pitch conversions. Get you a glass fuse, break the glass, take the end cap, and you can drill that hole any size you want and put it in the rubber and push it on the back of the carb, and you can tailor it from there. You know, if somebody complains about the shift quality being too harsh or whatever, but there you go. Interesting stuff. So I'm going to drill this one, put the carb together, and we're going to try to get it running today. We're going to see what happens. Wish me luck.